Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can read by the title, today I'm going to show you some 4 new features or not so new features on your Note, on your iPad or iOS or iPhone device, or even on your MacBook. So all of these you can use across all your Apple devices. So let's get right into the video. So the first thing first, as you can see, I've already done one of this, but you can add recordings now to your notes. So wherever you are on your notes, you can add recordings to it. So if you go down, right, and you press on attachment, right, you can now record audio. So say for example, I press that and I press the red button, I can record any audio and leave it on my notes. Testing this audio notes on my iPhone notes. That's it. So that's all. So we just press this will be finished, and then we press done, and then that's it, done. So you see this is here, and even added a transcript, right, which you can read it here. Testing this audio note on my iPhone note, that is it. So that also we just press now. Well, it actually did kind of transcript today, so that wasn't too bad. So because I pressed this button, right, if you press this button, it will transcript your audio for you, which is actually quite good. So that's also a good way of transcripting your audio, right? So that's done now. Next thing, I'm going to show you how to add heading, subheading, and other stuff like this. So this is, for example, for more organization, right? So if you want more organization, this is, for example, a collapsible one. So as long as you put in 2 different type of headings, it will collapse to that. So this is collapsible because this I put it on a different this heading. So if I go down and I added another heading, how can you add another heading? If you go on the AAs on here, right? Press on it, right? You will tell you a different type of heading. So we have the title, the heading, subheading, the body, and then one side. We just go, because we already have a heading, a title and a heading, we go subheading, right? And then wherever you write, right? Wherever we write here, it's arrow around. So wherever we write here, this is gonna be like a more, how do I say this? Wherever we had, it's gonna be more hidden beneath this. So if we collapse this, all of this collapse together, even with this. So what we write here, right, now will collapse with this, which is actually pretty nice and clean because it organizes your texting and everything underneath different section that we work on. Also now, say you want to attach a file to this, right? An image or something that you want to attach to this, you can just go on the clipper here or pin. So when you press on this, same thing, you attach a file or the last here, and then you can attach any file you want. Let's use this voucher while you're in switch as a file. And then you see it's already here, and beneath this, it should be a collapsible. So even though I've already put it beneath here, it's still working. So you can see it still collapsed on here. So now we can have the options of changing colors. The colors you can change on your headings are very limited, but I think that makes it more like easier to use than having so many different type of colors, because everything will be looking colored. But this is pretty good. So if you wanted to like color one of your texting, you just hold, you select all of them, right, and then you click on the AA here, and then as you can see, you have the colors here. So you have the purple, pink, orange, mint, and blue. This is the only colors you get, right? And then you can select any one of the colors you want. Let's select blue, and then as you can see, this has changed to blue, which is kind of sick. So if you want to like organize more your notes, it gives you more option, and all of this together gives you more fun and enjoyable way of writing a note. So that's all for today. Thank you very much, guys, for watching this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and help us more YouTube out. We're trying to, get out there. And that's all for today. If you want to see another video, if you have any more like ideas or features that you want to comment on the notes, just write it down below in the comment section. So that's all for today. Until next time, bye.